everyone, Anke here with a new layout and process video for hipkitclub featuring the April 2024 hipkits. Today I'll create a layout using some of our exclusive stamps and metal dies. I start with cutting film strips and hearts from white cardstock using the April 2024 film strip metal die set and the April 2024 linked hearts metal die. I'm not sure if I use the hearts, but I'll decide that later. Now I cut strips from the Essential Solids Oyster Bay, Almond, Arrow Blue and Caramello cardstock, all included in the April cardstock kit. I glue the film strip die cuts on these paper strips. Then I pierce holes and set eyelets. I cut fringes. And place the paper strips on my page. Now I add hand stitching to some of the floral die cuts which are included in the April embellishment kit. Sophie showed that in her Scrapfest class and I loved it so much. Here are the finished flowers and I love how they turned out. I add twine to my paper strips and adhere everything. Finally, I attach the ends of the twine with a stapler. I layer my photo with the die cut from the This Is Life tag and label die cuts pack, which is included in the April embellishment kit. One of the stitched flowers and a little washing machine which I fussy cut from the This Is Life real life paper. I think it works perfectly with my photo of Louis helping me with the laundry by laying on our bed sheets which I wanted to put in the washing machine. I also pick out some die cuts from the cardstock ephemera pack which is included in the April main kit, and some of the wood veneer die cuts which you can find in the April embellishment kit. I add more embellishments to the top of my page, another tag and label die cut, another butterfly, another stitched flower, and one of the layered chipboard stickers. Then I choose some of the clear stamps from the April Pocket Life stamp set and stamp on white cardstock. I also stamp on some label die cuts. Then I cut the stamped words and images out. For the round ones I use a circle punch and add some of them to my page. I continue embellishing the layout with another floral die cut, another wood veneer sticker, and some puffy stickers. These are also included in the April embellishment kit. And I finish with some enamel shapes from the April main kit. Here's the finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.